Hello gamers, welcome to this Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart video. And well, in this video I want to show you the location of the 10 Spybots. So this is the first one. I am in Corson 5. There is well, basically one Spybot on each planet, with the exception of Scars 2 debris field, where you can find two. And well, I'm gonna show you the location in the order as I found them. This is the number 2. I am on Blizzard Prime, and you will get this for helping the Chef Tulio. By the way, the first one on Corson 5 was just when you exit the factory and then you fight some enemies. Yeah, it's basically part of the story. I think you cannot miss that one. So here again, Blizzard Prime, you help Chef Tulio to get the honey, and then in exchange, he's gonna give you the spy bot.
Thank you for your assistance. Perhaps this will inspire you to make your own art one day.
I'm just happy those miners are finally gonna get some grub. Now, how do I get back to them? Oh, that security taxi should do the trick.
Alright, number 3. Here I am on Torrent 4. And so as soon as you get to the town, just head to the right and advance a little.
Guess they're being cautious.
You are gonna get to a place where you can see and find a magnetic way. So just go down following that path, and you will get to like a cave. So right in the middle of that cave, we're gonna see the spybot. By the way, while the video advances, I just want to remind you, if you find the video useful and you like it, please leave your like and subscribe to the channel.
For a fixer, where would I be?
Fixing things, I suspect.
Well, almost there, almost there. So there it is, you can see it already. Okay, so this is number 3 on Torrent 4. Spybot number 4, I got this on Savali. So here you gotta go to the upper or northern part of the map, and well, just go through this kind of like a tunnel, I guess, and at the end of it, you're gonna find yourself in a big cave where there is like an abandoned ship, and well, in that ship there you're gonna be able to find the spybot. So this sequence is a little long, so I'm just gonna let you watch it. Alright, so this was number 4 in Savali. Number 5, I got this one in Cordelion. So this is like the main room or the central room. And well, it's right there in the upper part of that room. So no, that's not the way you get it. So just get to this platform, and from here you're gonna be able to use a rift to get up there and get your spybot.
Well, look at that.
Nice work finding those Spybots. 5 more and Miss Zerpa will build you a weapon with no equal.
So remember, when you get your 10th, all of the spy
What are
bots
you
just
doing?
get to
Nothing.
Miss
Just
Zircon to get
thinking
your
about building
special
a
weapon.
dimensionator and saving the universes.
Are
So
you
here,
nervous
number
about meeting
6, we
Ratchet?
are on Scars to
What?
Debris Field. And by the
Yeah.
way, I also have a
Over
video
there.
on the channel showing you how to
He is
get the map
friendly, I
o
promise.
so that you
And
can,
once we
it's
build the
gonna show you the
Dimensionator,
location of
he
the
will
spy
help
bots,
us
and it's gonna
find
make it
Dr.
much
Nefarious.
more easier
Right.
for you. So here, before getting into
Guess
the bar,
our
just go
adventure's coming to an end,
to the
Bolts.
right, and
You
then you're
two
gonna
and
be able to
Dr.
launch
Nefarious will be
yourself to
back in
that
your own
platform
dimension
over
in no
there,
time.
and there is the spy bot.
Yes!
Number 7, Ardolis. Okay, this is the part where you gotta get into this spiral to reach the pirate trial, but we're gonna take or go to the right, and we're trying to reach, let's say, the east or northeast part of the map. Alright, this is the right place, so just a little bit of exploring. So in this case, I'm gonna just fast forward it a little bit. And well, basically you are gonna be able to find the spy bot in the most northern part of this section of the map. Number 8, Sargasso. You're gonna get this one by collecting all of the serp stones. There are 60 in total. And well, when you get the 60, just go back to the factory,
Here I
deliver the serp stones to Mort, and he's gonna exchange them for a spy bot.
Oh, my Mort! Look at all that surf! You earned this spy bot and then some.
How long will it take Trudy to eat everything?
Oh, 5 days, 6 tops. But old Mort will worry about next week.
Number 9, we are in Viceron,
See Ratchet.
and well, this is the place where Rivet locates where Clank is being held. Um, so we are traveling or traversing through the air ducts. So let's just move a little bit and show you where it is. And well, there it is. A little bit hidden, but not too much. So that's number 9. And finally, this is number 10, back again on Scars to the Brieffield. You gotta go to the Gold Cup, and fight is gonna be the fourth challenge. And well, actually the picture right there shows to you. You are gonna get the spy bot by finishing this trial. So well, that's basically it for the video. There is the location of the 10 spy bots. So I hope you find the video useful. And well, please just remember to subscribe to the channel, leave your like, and well, I will see you on the next video.